Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, it's actually at the night time and I'm here with my friend Patrick Slapper. Mr. Patrick Slapper. Shout out for him for helping me make this video. Today we're going to be making a vid about an RC car I made. Also, credits to Jesse TC for giving me the idea. He didn't give it, I just saw his video and decided to make my own. So here it is. Basically, I put SIG in here just like how he did. And I'm pretty sure back then when I made this, I didn't have the scale tool. Okay, so let's get ready. So now, if you click that, it's here. By the way, these are his wings I'm using because, as you guys know, I can't get Robux on my app. Okay, now that we've unanchored it, we could drive. Honestly, I think this is pretty cool. He's in it. Oop. Okay, so now I gotta say, like tomorrow when it's day, I'm gonna make a video about the Attack on Titans thing. And then I might make a video on obbies with my sister. By the way, she's here. She's playing Roblox, but I don't know what game. Say hello to YT.
Hello.
For the grave. Well, I could even see myself. Hello, Dipper. You guys didn't know I just call myself Dipper and my username is Dipper. My real name is Alan. Okay, so if you guys are excited to see the Attack on Titan build, then comment it. What is your channel? Okay, let me tell them. Dipper Gaming picture is Andy. Okay, told them. Okay, guys, so I want to hear some of y'all. If I get one person commenting, I want to see the Attack on Titans one, I'll try to go as fast as possible to finish it. Okay, so let's just have some fun with the RC car. I'm gonna go spy on each one of the people on this serve. Select all on anchor. Okay, here. Now let's see how Black is doing. They just launched it. Oh, they're doing a cool glitch. That glitch allows you to fly, and I'll tell you about that right now, after this. What's this? Ooh, I like the mechanics. It looks like a pirate ship. Okay, so next up, we got this one. It's blue. We're doing the same glitch. This glitch is like super popular right now. Literally everyone is doing it. Okay, so now let's go here. I'm pretty sure no one is here. Yeah, no. Now let's go here. I'm pretty sure this is magenta. Yeah. Now let's go to yellow. It's hard to control this thing. By the way, if you guys have cool builds or something cool you want to show me to YT, just comment and I'll add you as a friend in Roblox and bam. Okay, so I'm going back to Patrick Slapper. Where is he? Okay, so let me show you what that glitch is. I got more subs than you. XD, how much? Honestly, I'm a very small YouTuber. I feel like not many people watch my videos. Okay, we're gonna search up gold. Rare. Titanium. Rare. there. This is what you have to do, and get a hinge. Then you go like this, first person, and then you get glue, and you place 2 blocks. Then I'm gonna let Patrick do his. Okay. I'll let him launch. You can launch. You can launch. Okay, now after this, you jump and you go like this. It's pretty cool, and almost everyone is using exactly this glitch because you don't need gold to do it. You don't need the exact rod I'm using, not the titanium rod. You could use anything basically. So that's what makes it super cheap. Plus everything you use in here is kind of like common. Me, I used the... Oh. Okay, I died. Let me just... Okay. Whoa. At least I made some gold. Let's see how much gold I got. The slower you go, the more gold you get. I got 50. That's not bad. Also, if you guys haven't seen this, I got a lot. Today, I made a spider robot, aka spider mech. Okay, so where's Patrick? Patrick, come, I'ma showcase the what's it called? Spider robot to YT. Patrick, come, I'ma showcase the spider robot to YT. Okay. So now let's okay. Now here it is. You might be like, bruh, do you just like move it around? No, it actually crawls. No cap. Okay, this is not clickbait. I actually made it. I made it out of ideas. What's this ID? Oop. Wait. Okay, so it actually crawls. Tell your viewers that will okay, if you guys didn't know this, that one is going that way and back. That's just normal, but it's not crawling really. Then you could click these two like that. You need to click 3 buttons basically. Lol. Okay, wait. Hey Patrick, what's your YT? Your YT. YT. Mr. Patrick Slapper. Got it. Okay, guys, go follow Mr. Patrick Slapper. Lol, that's legit his username. So now let's see what else we could do. Longest building. Okay, let's see. What else could I show? I actually don't know. Here's a tip. If you guys want this, but you don't have a like Robux and you don't want to waste a Robux, I recommend this is what you do. Basically, make blocks high like this. Then you get a hinge. Let me just like that. And you go like that. And then the block you have most of, you could just start building your own type of thing. And I'm pretty sure if you put down a seed, doesn't it connect to... Wait, I gotta test something. No, it doesn't. Well, what I'm trying to say is hinges make a block spin, so with the knowledge you gained, you could try to make your own big wheels. Whoa, that's long. And a hinge at the top. Hinges could be used for many glitches because they make people spin. Okay, so how long is this video? 10 minutes. Okay, I might be wrapping it up to a little later. And when I joined, I was on my ult. I saw that they added cameras. I was like, bro, they added cameras again, because back then I didn't have cameras and I needed them for my RC car. Then I was super excited and hyped that they added cameras. And I think I got a little too many. Here, let me show you. Camera. That's how many I got. That's like so much gold wasted. Okay, I'm gonna show the ones I could show. Fly to the end is basically the glitches. And small boat is basically this. And I could show the heli too, which looks like I'm teasing him. The heli is horrible. Okay, now what else? I could do this Santa's sleigh. Oh. Okay, now what else? Have I showed the private jet? I've kind of upgraded it. I added these. You could do this too. Put down a... What is it called? I don't remember its name, so I'm gonna just call it TNT. Put down these TNTs and color them. That color, they look like pew-pews. Wait, I gotta... is it charged? Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up soon because my iPad is gonna die. Okay, what else can I show? It's better about you've shown. Yeah, I know, I've shown all of them except for this. So is that gonna wrap up the vid? How many people are online? 3 of my friends. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's just 6 people. Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? Wait. Can you use wings in Quest? Okay, I might sound like an idiot if you guys know if it can or can't. Let's try. Let's try. Okay. Clear all. Yep. Clear. Okay, now let's try to do target. Wings? Okay, does it? I'm doubting that it does. No. Okay, I knew it. I cleared getting rid of the wings. I mean, honestly, someone could just come out of nowhere, like get on there, drop some wings. You could go up to them, click them, and go. Get rid of the quest thing, yeah. there. Okay, so do I wrap it up here? Okay, so do I wrap it up here? Okay, I'll be right back after I see his answer. Sure, okay. Okay, we are at the spot. So, goodbye. Remember to like, subscribe, and that's gonna be it. See ya.